Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make marinara sauce. It's a simple recipe with an interesting chemical reaction. You will need a few ingredients and appliances to get started. 1 28-ounce can of tomatoes, 1 halved onion, 2 cloves of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, oregano, red pepper, and salt. The appliances you will need will be 1 pot, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, 1 can opener, 1 knife, and a wooden spoon for stirring. The first step is peeling and dicing the onion. Make sure you're cutting the onion on a cutting board and make sure you're using a sharp knife. Next, you are going to take 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and put it in your pot. You are then going to add the diced onions into the pot with the olive oil. Turn the stove on to a medium burn to saute the onions. Remember to stir the onions and olive oil frequently. This whole process should take 5 minutes. This right here is what your pot should look like after the first step is completed. Next, you're going to add your 2 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon of oregano into the pot. The oregano will release more flavor if you put it in your hands first and rub them together before you add it into the pot. When you are done, you're going to mix all the ingredients together again. After mixing, take the pot off of the burner and let it cool for a minute. Now you're going to add your tomatoes, red pepper, and salt into the pot. Only take a pinch of the red pepper and salt, as shown. Now you're going to put the pot back onto the stove with a medium-high burn. You're going to stir the ingredients thoroughly and then let them sit for the next 45 minutes on the stove. This last step is optional. If you're like me and you like your marinara sauce smooth rather than chunky, take a stick blender and blend the marinara sauce to your preference. The reason many people like marinara sauce is the reaction between the tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients. When the oils from the rest of the ingredients mix with the acids from the tomatoes, it creates a rich flavor that many people enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.